Hello, my name is Laquanda Oyemi, and I am a resident librarian at Texas A&M. A resident librarian is a professional librarian. It's a unique position. It allows the librarian to rotate through the different departments in the library. The library has several different departments, so I rotate through learning and outreach, digital initiatives, scholarly communication, special collections, and also the technical side with information resources. I'm currently pursuing my master's in education technology because I'm interested in online learning and distance education. And with that being said, that will allow me to be able to work with learning management systems and become an embedded librarian, embedding different tutorials, different open educational resource tools, as well as being able to deliver online courses, online workshops, just being a person in the library that has this expertise. So that is what I will be doing. Alrighty. If you have any questions, feel free to put questions down in the post. Bye bye.